Hey guys, Cody from Wild West Lift Trucks here. This is a restoration we've done on this Caterpillar DP100. We gave it fresh paint, all new fluids, all the filters. There was nothing other that needed to be addressed on this other than the seat. But you see our capabilities. This thing's 22,000 pounds. Not usually what we work on, but something we have the capability to do. So if you or anybody you know needs anything from the smallest forklift all the way up to something like this or even larger, we can sell you one, we can refurbish it, we can repair it, whatever you want to do. We could even, if you got one that you need redone and you want to sell it and we just make a commission on it, we can go partners and do that as well. Give us a call at the phone number below.